Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you 9 must-have natural oils for making homemade skincare the DIY way. Guys, if you want to get started making homemade DIY, these are the oils you need to have. I've made everything from sugar scrubs to body butters to lotions with these oils. So guys, if you want to hear what my favorite and must-have natural oils are, keep watching. So guys, just as an FYI, the oils that I'm going to be talking about can be found over on my website at beautyrove.com. I will drop a link in the description box below. Over on the website, you can also find other DIY skincare and hair care ingredients as well as recipes. Okay, also if you're new here, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I create a video. So the first oil that I want to tell you about and that I have become a huge fan of is Babasu Oil. So Babasu Oil comes from none other than the Babasu palm tree. This oil is packed with fatty acids, antioxidants, and it contains anti-inflammatory properties. So Babasu oil melts at about the same temperature as our body temp, meaning that when we apply it to the skin, it melts on contact with the skin. So it is great at relieving dry, itchy skin. Guys, it is also great with softening rough, dry skin. It also makes it a great addition to DIY such as lotions, creams, as well as body butters. So Babasu oil is also great to add to DIY hair conditioners, and because it's easy to melt, it can easily be used as a scalp massage if you have dry, itchy scalp. So next on our list is hemp seed oil. So hemp seed oil comes from the seed of the hemp plant, and it's an excellent oil to use in DIY skincare. So it's known for its moisturizing properties, and much like Babasu oil, it's known to help the skin maintain its elasticity. So I love hemp seed oil in lip balms. I actually have a video where I used it in a moisturizing balm, and you can check that video out by clicking on the link above, or you can click on the link in the description box. So moving on to the next must-have natural oil for DIY skincare, it is avocado oil. So avocado oil is another amazing oil that you do not want to get caught without when you're making your home skincare. So it has so many benefits, including being great for both skincare and hair care, and it has antimicrobial properties as well as anti-inflammatory properties. It's an emollient, so it makes the skin feel soft and supple, and it works great to help the skin maintain its hydration. But guys, now that I've said all that, it actually might not be the best choice if you have oily skin. So if you do have oily skin, there are several oils on this list that will work for you. Just make sure you keep watching until the end of this video. One of my favorite DIY products that I've used avocado oil in is this amazing body scrub. Guys, if you have not seen this video, be sure to check it out. There'll be a link in the description box below. Now, if you have ever watched any of my videos, then you know I am a huge fan of this next oil, which is jojoba oil. Guys, I have a ton of videos where I've used jojoba oil in my DIY skincare. So I love jojoba oil because it's a light oil. It's very similar to oils that we find in our skin. It has a waxy feel to it, and it actually sits on top of the skin to help trap in a lot of the moisture that we need. It also does not clog the pores. I literally love this oil. So next, let's move on to coconut oil. So it can be used in hair care DIYs as well as skincare, and it contains a lot of fatty acids that our skin and hair loves. It also has anti-inflammatory properties as well as antibacterial properties. So the next oil I want to talk about is grapeseed oil. So grapeseed oil is great for the skin as well as for the hair. So if you're making any type of, say, infused hair oil, then grapeseed oil is excellent for that. It's high in vitamin C and E. It's filled with a ton of antioxidants, and it has anti-inflammatory as well as antimicrobial properties. It's great with lightening acne scars, and it also helps to moisturize and balance the oil production of the skin. So guys, grapeseed oil is also great for mature skin. So if you have fine lines and wrinkles and you want to sort of plump them up, then grapeseed oil is great for that. So next on the list is sweet almond oil. So sweet almond oil is high in vitamin A and E, and it has essential fatty acids that our skin loves. So if you're allergic to peanuts or anything like that, of course you may want to avoid this one, but I really love how sweet almond oil works for my skin, and I highly recommend it if you're not allergic to peanuts. Now this next oil I was not a huge fan of as a kid, but now that I'm an adult, I actually love castor oil, being that I found out it can be used in skincare. So I love castor oil because it is one of the thicker oils, and sometimes thicker oils need as much love as the lighter oils, especially if it works well and it won't clog the pores. So castor oil contains fatty acids that help keep the skin smooth, aka preventing wrinkles, and it actually is a humectant, so it draws moisture to the skin. It can even be used as a makeup remover. The next oil that we're going to talk about is sunflower oil. So if you're a beginner at making DIY skincare, then I highly recommend sunflower oil. It is an incredible oil that is usually great for any skin type. So if you have a normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, even acne prone skin, sunflower oil can work for you. Sunflower oil is filled with vitamins E, beta carotene, and fatty acids. It is a very gentle oil and it absorbs into the skin really easily, and of course it won't clog the pores. So here's a quick recap. We talked about Babasu oil. I told you all about hemp seed oil, as well as avocado oil, which is very moisturizing. Then we talked a little bit about jojoba oil, which I love, and also coconut oil, which is great for the hair and skin. I moved on and talked about grapeseed oil as well as sweet almond oil, but watch out for sweet almond oil if you have allergies. Then we talked about castor oil, and finally we talked about sunflower oil. So guys, we made it to the end of the list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Products that I talked about can be found in the description box below. Also, don't forget to head over to beautyrove.com for more ingredients and DIY skincare. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!